Libraries, by their nature, are storehouses of information, resources, and workshops. One recent workshop was especially appropriate to this time of year.
Today we had a program on making eco-friendly ornaments and decorations for your home. Just because it's the holidays doesn't mean that you gotta have a lot of plastic or spend a lot of money to make ornaments. So we demonstrated how you can make garland from receipt paper, which receipt paper is very inexpensive. Or if you want to be really eco-friendly, you can reuse newspaper or old wrapping paper, and you just cut it up and it makes a nice lovely garland. That actually came out pretty good.
For my first time, huh?
That's the fold. Like you need a fold right there where the red is, because that was what would hold it together. But yeah, but your other side came out really nice. We also made some little angel ornaments out of tissue paper and pipe cleaners, but you can also use, again, used newspaper. It's just a little bit more delicate, but it gives a nice vintage feel as well. Just grab your wings and you wrap this around the neck. Now you can twist it if you want, but you don't have to. Make a circle. I find it's easier to make the halo after I've attached it, because half the time I don't guess how big the head's going to be right. So I have to just remake it if I do it ahead of time. A lot of the stuff that's on the display over there, it's made out of recycled materials of old cards, old postcards, stuff that you would just have sitting like in the back in a box, never getting seen, but stuff that has lots of great memories attached to it. So making ornaments or garlands out of postcards, maps from when you travel, wedding invitations, baby announcements, stuff like that. It's something that you can put on your tree, so every year when you put on your decorations, you get to remember that wonderful event, or that wonderful trip you went on, or all of the postcards your father sent you, perhaps. So it's a great way to have very meaningful decorations that are also reusing materials and are like, they mean a lot instead of just, oh, well, these are red. We also have ornaments and wreaths that involve origami made from book pages. The pages that are used for the ones on display are actually from books from our own library that were damaged, so we couldn't keep them anymore. So we actually used the paper from the books to make the origami, and they were actually made by our person who teaches the origami class, which should be next month. We'll have another origami class. It's every 2 months, which you can find on our website when it's going to happen, and also the exact origami that they'll be making each time. But so we had some lovely examples from past classes over there, which you just put a hole in it and then you put some twine or some string or an ornament hanger and you can just put it right on the tree.
For Stafford CSI, this is Randall Williams.